What's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video of this channel, and nice to see your smiling faces ever again. And today we have a new thing. This is a Bluetooth speaker, so I'm going to do the unboxing and the review of this and all the things that you need to know about this speaker. So this is a multifunctional Bluetooth speaker. Brand is XIMIVOUGE, and I actually got this thing for a gift, so I didn't purchase this and I do not know the price, and I couldn't find any related to this on internet. And this is quite, you can get in Sri Lanka. I have seen this shop, and I will put all the things that you need to know about this thing in the description below, so you will, if you need this to get, so you can get this. So before going to inside of the box, and let's see what do we have in the product specifications. We have an out power of 3 watt charging, I think, and a frequency range of 100 Hz to 18 kHz, and this thing has a 1600 mAh battery, so that's a quite good range of battery. Let's see what's inside the box, and this is the way it looks directly from the box. And we have it's quite fancy, I think. Let's go inside the box. That's unusual packaging. So this is the user manual. So you have a micro USB cable here and a analog female type, I don't know. And you have that port to this one right here. Yeah, this one. Yeah. That's all in the box right now. That's all in the box. Let's take this. Oh, this has quite a look for it. Oh my god. So this thing has I think a grill in the back side of the speaker, and you have the power on switch and a TF slot which you can put the SD card in, and you have the micro USB charging port here on this port in here, and the AUX port, and this is the AUX cable. I just forgot it, just kind of kidding. And on the top you have the mode switch. It's a tactile button, and you have the play and pause, and you have the skip backwards and forwards. And in the downside of the speaker you have a rubberized material, so the speaker won't move at all when it sits on a table, and that's really great. That's really great actually. I mean, and you can keep it without a worries, so with the vibration or other things, this thing won't fall. So let's on this thing. Yeah. Alright. Oh, that's a quite interesting sound. Look at that. Let's do it again. Look at that. That's pretty amazing. Let's do it again. That's what I call something amazing. That's really great. And let's listen to some music. Let's go to SoundCloud and see what we have in there. We have one. Let's see. Let's play some music. Why not?
These two will hereby be executed by decapitation and their heads put on display.
Living means bowing down to the likes of you bastards. I'd rather die on my feet with my head held high.
Is that a max? Trying to increase this from here. Oh. Okay, so from here you can adjust the So you can, from here you can adjust the volume up and down, and this is the full volume. That's the full volume. The bass is not there actually. It's like the sound quality is not as much I expected it to be. Let's try another one. I don't know, man. It's do the job, but it's not sort of blowing away or something like that. But it's pretty. It has a decent look, by the way. It has a quite interesting, a premium look. I have to say that it looks great, but the sound itself is not truly in the level that I expected it to be. You can buy a speaker, check another speaker. I don't think this has a really good look for it. You can see the real pattern, but the thing is the sound. It's not blowing me away. Alright, so I don't know I think about the sound is coming from the difference between the music. I think now, quite interestingly, it just get better. I don't know how that happened, but it's good. It sounds great. It sounds loud, and it's quite interesting to have such a good speaker. It has a low end of a bass, but it doesn't have the wow factor for it. It just have that thing, that capability of playing a great song. I think the things in here, the buttons on the feedback is so late that I don't know if you won't even use this thing for skipping music, because it's so late. I have to skip the one and just wait for a couple of minutes to get the next song, and that's annoying. They're quick and let's see about the latency and the sound. What is the difference between using this thing and the Bluetooth setup?
In your eyes, I see.
So one great push. You have okay. You can just press like that. You have to press it hard. Alright, so using this will be okay. This will be fine, and this will do the job. But it's a Bluetooth speaker, right? No one needs a cable on it to make it. Oh, I thought it was a notification. Oh my goodness gracious, it's not a notification, it just, that's really good.
A few moments later.
This is quite a kind of a good speaker. If you really want a great Bluetooth speaker, I really don't know the price right now, and I will definitely put the link in the description to see or to buy, to purchase it, whatever you do. So that's it, and this is a great looking Bluetooth speaker, but it do the job. It's not blowing away or something like that, but it really do the job well. So In fact, it's really good. It's good. It's a good Bluetooth speaker, and it looks good, and you can see the grills in here, and it's look futuristic. But for real Bluetooth setup, this is not the thing that you want to go. But if you really want something for a lower price, I think it's not that much of price, but if you really need a good, not a fake one, but an original one for a lower price, this is one should you go for, I think. If you know something else, definitely put in the comment section, so let others know and let me know, so I can check it later or someday quick sooner. So this is a good speaker, I have to say that. So that's been it, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up for the video, and make sure to definitely subscribe our channel, my channel, your channel. This is your channel, and you are the one who's never mind. Go and subscribe right now, just go and subscribe right now, just okay. So that's been it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a nice day.